Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly build a professional, automatically updating language dictionary in Notion using a free template. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your own customized dictionary dashboard where you can easily add new words, find instant synonyms, and start organizing your language learning like a pro. Whether you're studying for exams, picking up a new language, or just love words, this is going to save you so much time. And it looks fantastic too. So let's dive right in. To make this process much faster and a lot more polished, we're going to use a free language dictionary template inside Notion. Templates are a lifesaver if you want something that not only works well, but also has a nice professional look right out of the box. Plus, since it's Notion, you can always customize things later to really make it your own. First, head over to your Notion workspace. Look up at the top left corner. There's a drop-down menu that gives you a host of options. Click on that to expand more settings. Sometimes these menus can feel packed with choices. So just take your time and look for something labeled Browse Templates. This is where all the shortcuts to better looking and better functioning pages live. Now, in the search bar that appears, type Vocabulary Tracker or Language Dictionary. You'll see a couple of templates pop up. Take a moment to look them over. You might spot one that suits your style or has features you like, such as built-in fields for synonyms, definitions, notes, or even examples in context. If you're not sure which one to pick, don't worry. The beauty of these templates is that you can test drive them and switch things up later. Once you've found the template you want, just click on it, then hit the Add button. Notion does the heavy lifting for you here. It'll create a new page in your workspace using the template's structure and design. You might need to wait a second for everything to load, especially if this is your first time adding a template. Now, you get to personalize your dictionary. You can start by adding your credentials. Think of these as the details that help you track your words. For example, you might want to enter the target language, maybe the level you're learning, or any goals you have for using the dictionary. This might seem small, but it's a great way to keep everything organized, and it helps motivate you to come back and use your dashboard regularly. After that, you can start getting creative. Customize the template however you like. Maybe you want to add a section for common phrases, or a tag for grammar notes. Are you someone who learns visually? Try adding an icon or a cover image that inspires you. Even changing the color scheme makes the dashboard feel a little more you. As you add new entries, you'll notice one of the template's best features: automatic synonyms. When you input a word, the template can pull up relevant synonyms and definitions, acting almost like your own personal mini thesaurus. This is incredibly helpful for expanding your vocabulary without having to hop from one website to another. Don't worry if you're not sure how it works right away. Take your time to explore the template, click around, and see which fields do what. And that's it. With only a few clicks and a bit of customization, you've set up a powerful language dictionary dashboard in Notion, ready to help you supercharge your studies or keep track of all those new words you stumble across. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit like to let me know. And drop any questions you have in the comments. I check them regularly and love hearing how you use these templates. And if you want more Notion tips, don't forget to subscribe for future tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy learning.